it was National Security Advisor Eduardo Año, followed by former Senator Antonio Trillanes IV. Bureau of Corrections Chief Gregorio Catapang took his turn, and then Pet Duterte punching bag party list Representative Leila de Lima, who together with a member of the cloth filed for libelous raps and then some against Attorney Levy Baligod and the 18 ex-Marines earlier today. Our Ralph Raven Tobise tells us more.
ML Party List Representative Leila de Lima and priest Father Flavio Villanueva formally filed libel and cyber libel complaints before the National Bureau of Investigation or NBI against Attorney Levito Baligod. This is in connection with the allegations of 18 men who claimed to be former members of the Philippine Marines. In their sworn affidavits, the group named several individuals who allegedly received suitcases containing millions of pesos which they claim were kickbacks from flood control projects. One of those named was De Lima, an allegation she has already denied.
Sinisiraan po ang aming pangalan, binibismerch po ang aming reputation, ini-smear po yung aming pangalan sa kasinungalingan na nakasaad doon sa pinagsamang sinumpaang salaysay as executed by the 18 alleged ex-Marines and also Attorney Levy Baligod.
De Lima earlier said these are tactics meant to divert public attention from the impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Duterte as well as the crimes against humanity case filed against former President Rodrigo Duterte at the International Criminal Court. Father Villanueva, who was also mentioned in the allegations, agrees with this.
Tingin kong agenda dito ay isinabay nila sa ginagawang investigasyon ng ICC. Ay dahil dito ay gusto nilang sirain ang reputasyon ng ICC, gusto nilang sirain ang mga taong nagtrabaho para ang katarungan at katotohanan ng ICC ay lumabas.
They also filed a perjury complaint before the Department of Justice or DOJ against the 18 men who identified themselves as former Marines. De Lima clarified that Attorney Baligod is not included in this separate complaint. Meanwhile, according to NBI Director Attorney Melvin Matibag, the agency will immediately look into the complaints filed by De Lima and her group. However, he also clarified certain misinformation that has been circulating regarding the issue.
I want to correct the news na sinasabi na there are 100 na lalabas. Mali yun. Sinabi ko, 100 yung kinausap. Out of sa 100 na kinausap, apparently there are 38 na pumayag, 18 yung lumabas. Sabi ko, baka may 20 pa na lumabas.
Following the filing of the complaints, subpoenas are expected to be issued against the respondents. But the series of complaints does not end there. Bureau of Corrections or Bucor Director General Gregorio Catapang Jr. also filed a cyber libel case before the DOJ against the group and Attorney Baligod. This comes after he was also implicated in the alleged flood control project's anomalies, which are being linked to former Representative Zaldico.
Wala naman akong atraso dito para idawit ako. Makakasamahan ko din sa dati kung nag-serve sila sa armed forces na naging chief of staff ako, masakit sa akin para kasuhan.
He also filed a perjury complaint against Baligod, and the disbarment case has also been filed by Catapang before the Supreme Court or SC against the lawyer.
Nanumpa ka, pag abogado ka, magsasabi ka lang ng totoo . You will not bear false witness against people. Dapat totoo lang.
According to Catapang, the alleged Marines may have simply been misled or may have been dragged into the issue. But he added that he will not let the matter pass as he believes he has also been defamed. R. Tobise from the National TV Network for a New and Better Philippines.